like, what is going on with that 87 Mustang? To see those cars. Yeah. Listen, there was so many so fast. You'll have to comment and tell me which ones they were because I can't even take it all in. Here comes another one. That looks like a Lambo. Couple. Wow, listen to them.
Did you hear that?
They sound amazing.
Sound like the one in
the green?
The green looks like the one in
Here comes some more. Keep rolling, so make sure you're getting them.
Oh, I'm getting.
Wow. Must be heading to Calabogie Motorsports, I believe. But again, I'm not sure. They could just be out for a cruise. Keep it rolling, you never know, we might meet some more. Yeah. Our viewers might want to see some more supercars. Or just the old 87 Mustang.
Woo.
Getting low? Yeah. Alright, well if it cuts out it's because we're running out of battery, but we'll try to post this as one of our first vlogs. I guess that's what it's called, a vlog.
Oh, it's fast.
Alright, plug it in.
Oi.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want to see an amateur vlogger.